Welcome to the channel once again, and here we are with two readings. You have to choose, and here I have the two. You have to select 1 and 2. And what is this about? This is about the remaining days of May. So the second half of May, the reading is for the second half of month of May 2025, and let's see what the cards say. And here we start shuffling the cards, and let's see. For the second half, and the first reading is obviously for this one, and those who chose that particular crystal. Okay, let's see what the cards say. And here we go. Lot of stress, lot of decision. Things should get better. Okay, now here we go. See, overall, the entire second half is all about emotions for you. Lot of emotions. Love for yourself and love for other people. You will be the most feminine that you can. I mean feminine as in emotional, giving, caring. It could be a man, it could be a woman. Okay, so feminine is not only for a woman is what I mean. Now, coming to that, there has been a lot of stress consciously in your life, and you're not enjoying completely what is there. So either not enjoying the money that you have, the career that you have, or the love that you have, whatever the kind of wealth that you want to spend, or the kind of career that you want, you're not enjoying your job, or probably not enjoying your relationship. And there's something missing in your life which is really bothering you a lot, okay? And you have been thinking a lot in the past about some kind of a decision that you have to make very strongly. And you've been scared to make the decision. But at the same time, don't think emotionally is what I would say for the next coming 15 days. Because the coming 15 days are full of, do not think from the head, but think from the heart. And if you can think from the heart, this energy has to go. This is a moon energy. Moon energy does not allow us to give clarity. It does not allow you to, see things very clearly. The perception is different in a moon energy. And there will be lot of fear of, you'll be having a fear of breaking off out. But do you really will there be a heartbreak? Is what that is seen? Absolutely not. Because the cards indicate that you'll be working for what you love. So if it is related to a job, if it is related to, something that somebody or something that you love. So you could love a job, you could love somebody. So this is a general reading based on the crystal that you chose. And the cards indicate that you'll be working for the next second half of May really hard for your job, for the relationship, and you'll be doing with lot of love. There will be absolutely no fear of a heartbreak, no problem at all. You just need to take care that you are totally detached and not thinking emotionally and working very passionately. Do I see that happening? Absolutely. New opportunities coming to you, people coming to you, helping you, be it in your relationship or be it in a work related situation, because this is a general reading, applies to both love relationship and your career. And it's so beautiful to watch this reading, so beautiful. This talks about, see, again I get the same energy about things coming to you, things coming for you. And another big part that I want to mention to you, lot of support of the divine, lot of support of the something coming from, I would say, something basically coming from the universe trying to protect you. So if there is a slow energy for a relationship, for a job related situation, or the situation that you are stuck in, trust that it is for your highest good, because your overthinking will not solve anything. Lack of clarity will not solve anything. The fear that you will get hurt will not solve anything. But trust and believe in God is definitely going to solve, and things are going to get better in the second half of May for you. And the clarity that you do not have right now, the things do not move right now, will become much better. So whenever you're watching it in the month of May, in the first half, if you are in that situation, trust me, the second half is far more better, because the first half is more about, you trying to think about this and that. And the second half is more about you coming out of your anger and celebrating and being in this energy of a lovers. Lovers, which means something or someone, whoever you love. So it could also mean the work related energy. So for those people who are listening to this for job related issue, then for them, you'll be working hard, and you will be, focused, very passionate, and also at the same time, the work will not get completed, but you will achieve quite a bit in the second half of May and make impression on whoever you want to make an impression on. Okay. Now, for those people who are watching it for love, for them, this energy says that you will be working towards your relationship. As I mentioned in the beginning, they'll be full of emotions, and the emotional energy will not be leading you to be having any kind of fear. Oh my God, I'll have a heartbreak and all of that. No, nothing. That is not going to happen to you. Okay. That's another very, very good thing. And your relationship will move forward. For sure, the relationship is going to move forward, because when you start working with lot of love, there is nothing but that outcome is currently you would be in lot of fear of the unknown, fear of things not in your control, fear of what is going to happen, how will this relationship progress, and all of that. So that's it for this reading. Okay, now we go to the next reading. Let's see. And here we go for the second reading. This one, those who had selected this particular crystal, for them this is the second reading, and this is a general reading, and it is for second half of May. It includes both career and love life. So if you're watching it for the love of your life, then this applies to you, but I'll explain to you separately. Okay, just as I did for the first reading. And let's see what the cards say, what the cards show me, what is the energy that these cards show. Let's see. Okay. Okay. You started something new in your life, okay? And something new as in, something new recently. So it could be a new responsibility at your work. It could be a new relationship. It could be a new friendship that you started some time back, okay? Maybe a few weeks or months back. It could be as recent as a week back, okay? And there has been this new thing that you have started. You're looking at with a lot of hope, lot of possibilities, and you're thinking a lot about the future. Now, in this project, if it's related to work, you're being very kind, very caring. If it's related to academics, you'll be working very, very hard and trying to devote as much time as required for it, okay? But at the same time, you are going through a phase which has been of extreme amount of stress, okay? So the possibility of you being very worried, very I wouldn't say negative, but I would definitely call it beating yourself up, kind of thinking of the worst possible scenario. Oh, this is going to happen. Oh, this is going to happen. You will be going through that phase just before the mid of May. Okay, so maybe right now when I have uploaded it, or just few days later, okay, around that time, you'll be too much of a stressful situation, angry also, okay? And what is this anger about? And this anger is about things not going your way, you being emotionally detached, at the same time not able to come out of the entire thing of looking at the half empty cup. You will be looking at, like this guy is looking at, see, there are certain full cups, right? See behind, but the person, I hope you're able to see it, okay? But the person will be looking at, oh, what is not done, what is not done, what is not done, okay? And you will be in that zone for almost next 15 days. So now, will this entire 15 days in the second half of May will be very bad for you? No. You will be expecting someone to come and help you out. And trust me, you will have support from a female figure. It could be your mother, it could be your sister or a friend, a female person who is very strong, who is very powerful, and who is very positive. And that person will push you to think about restarting the thing. So there is some kind of support system which comes in some form from a lady like person, okay, lady like person, a person with a feminine energy but extremely strong, almost like how you say Devi Durga is not weak, so something like of that kind, extremely powerful person. And you will have clarity about your situation as you progress beyond 20th of May or beyond that. You will have clarity. So it is in spite of whatever you are undergoing, because as the days come, you will be able to see that your emotional side, your feminine side is coming out because of the support of this particular person. This could be even a male person. I will not deny that. But this person is feminine, but at the same time, very strong, very powerful, okay? Almost like Jhansi Ki Rani, who will just come, a friend of yours, your mother, your sister, some colleague of yours, somebody is very close to you, right? This person may not spend hours and hours with you, okay? But little that the person says will have an impact on you. So try and while you're listening to this reading, if there is somebody like this in your life, please talk to them. Please speak to them in the second half of May. I implore you to speak to them, because they will push you very, 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 very badly. They just like, go for it. You can do it. And that kind. And that is what will be required, okay, for you to do. Now, what else is there in the system? I would say that the cards indicate that basically everything that you are planning will become better and better. It will not be so bad. You will be only stressed out. Outcome is going to be very good. Trust me, by the time June comes and when the outcome comes, you mark my words, you will not face that kind of a issue that you are thinking. So be it in your love relationship, which you will not face. So those people who are in reading, listening to this reading and this thing, they're thinking of the worst possible scenario. I'll be left alone, there'll be nobody with me, and nothing is going to good happening to me, etc., etc. But by beginning of June, pain will come to an end. You will be in your independent power. Things will be far, far, far better. Okay. Now, coming to those people who are listening to it for career or relationship, career or studies. Those who are listening to that, for that, please talk to people. Have some friend or a family member, somebody to push you through. And by whatever you are thinking of the worst possible situation in the month of May, you will be stressed out a bit, but you'll be able to channelize it and the outcome will not be as bad. In fact, it will be much, much better. Okay. And this period will basically go in weighing of option. It's not a bad, you might think, oh, it's very stressful period. Oh, what am I going to do it? See, you will worry because you naturally would be tendency, the pressure will be high, work will be a lot, but the outcome will be, I am not lying, right? I just picked it up. The outcome will be, you'll outsmart other people. You will be doing better than other people in terms of your work, in terms of your studies, in terms of your academics. You'll be able to do much better than what others are doing. And the outcome is much better. Only the process will be a little painful, which you can decrease by talking to people, and not people, I would say, talking to one or two. Except I basically can psychically feel only one person who you need to listen to. Shut your mouth, zip your mouth, sit with that person and talk to that person. And that person will give you ideas, probably act as your punching bag and reduce your pressure. And the outcome, whatever you are working towards, be it your work or be it your studies, will be much, much, much better. Okay. And I wish and pray for all those who are watching it this May month, the second half, to be extremely good. Wishing both the readings and people who have heard it a fantastic month of May, and may good things happen to you all. Okay. Take care of yourself. Lots of love sent your way.